Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will see your June 2021 predictions and we will see what are the guidance messages towards you in this upcoming month. Alright, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, and we will pick up your past, present and future energies, love energies here, and if there are some other energies coming up we will take them as well. Alright, so let's get started for my Aquarians. What is going on? We have the High Priestess. Alright, what is going on with my Aquarians? What is happening with my Aquarians? Please. Aquarius energies, please. What is going on? Love energies. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there. Alright? Okay. Okay, so the overall energy is the Temperance. Okay, strong balancing energies. What is going on? Let me clarify. Why the Temperance is here in the overall energies? Sorry. Why the Temperance is here in the overall energy for my Aquarians? Okay. Alright. Okay, so this is a sudden change in your life. Okay, this might be happened just in some while, or it might have happened in the past. Somebody came in your life. This person just came with a very beautiful proposal. This person always told you that they love you, but with the Knight of Cups, that is the problem. They come and they go because this is the playboy card of the deck. They always try to talk to you. They are very polite. They are very romantic. They are the loving, the chocolate boy. Okay, so they know how to talk. But the problem is that something happened. Disastrous happened with this person. This person, whatever this person was, they might not always used to tell you truths. You know, they always used to tell you lies and everything. But you always believed because you have fallen for this person. Balancing proper Temperance energies, because now whatever happened in the past, whatever happening around you, you have strong balancing energies, Aquarians. You know that yes, things happened in a wrong way. Whatever happened with you, it happened in a wrong way. You were so much excited for this new relationship. You always wanted to just keep on moving on with this person. You wanted actually, but you didn't receive what you wanted. Okay, so you just had a clear conversation with this person, head-to-head conversation, nothing personal, and you were like, okay, let's talk. Okay, that is what is going on in the overall energies. Yes, I think you are still waiting. Either if you have sent them a message, you are still waiting for that message to come up. Like if you want a conversation to happen, you want that. If you want to end a relationship with me, you can talk to me. You can we can at least talk it over a cup of coffee or cup of tea, something like that. Okay, let's see. In the past energies, we have the Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. So why the Eight of Pentacles energies are here? See, Ace of Cups. Yes, this was a new person. You gave a lot of time, you gave a lot of energies to this person. Justice and the Moon. Yes, there was something, things were hidden, things were fishy. You wanted balance with this person, but they didn't. They always tried to sneak away whenever you wanted to talk like of a commitment level. They used to just run away from that situation. Yeah, let's see why the Ace of Cups is here in the past energies. Why the Ace of Cups is here? Yeah, you wanted to start a family, or you might have also been got married to this person, but what happened after that? Four of Wands. Yeah, strong marriage energies are here. Devil karmic relationship with this person might be. You are not able to just move on. You're still holding on to this person. It's like you were there, you wanted a relationship because you loved this person, and it was like a kind of stubbornness, I would say. Either you, because yes, you wanted, you loved this person and you wouldn't let them go just like that. Yes, you won't let this person go just like that. No, I'm not letting you go. Strong Aquarius energy. Why the Queen of Pentacles is here in the past energies? Six of Pentacles. There was a give and take of this relationship. Always a very beautiful give and take. If they are giving you love, you are giving them love. It was very good. You know, everything was fine. There was like communication was. It used to happen. Strong communication energies. You used to send them a message. They used to send you the message. It was always clear from both of your end. You know, it was stable. But what happened then? Why things went? Let me check. Okay, the present energies are Six of Cups, Five of Cups, and the Sun. I see that there is no communication now. It happened. It was there was a communication in the past, but yes, we can say that Tower moment happened. Might be a big fight between both of you, and now you want to talk to this person. You want a clear cut conversation with them, but no, it's a no from their side, or it's a no from your side. Let me clarify. Okay, so there's strong missing someone from the past with the Six of Cups and the Five of Cups. It's like you are still memorizing. You still have those memories of this person. You both have. Okay, it's not a relationship from only one side. It's always from both of you. So you both might be feeling this way. You both want to talk, but it's really hard for you to communicate. They also might also want to talk, but you know, sometimes it's really difficult that whatever we did, because there's strong regrets energy. So this might be a person over here. They are regretting whatever they did. They're still missing you. But that conversation, we will check whether the conversation will happen or not. Because right now I don't see any contact in this relationship. Six of Cups, the Sun, Magician, Queen of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. Yes, still waiting for that communication. You want it so clear, so badly. You both want it, I see, and you can do it. I think that the universe is saying a yes, that you can have this conversation with each other. You should do this conversation with each other. At least if you do not want to start a relationship again, at least end it. Or if you can start it, go and start it, because this is a very beautiful bond which I see. I am not seeing bad energies in this relationship. No. Why the Five of Cups is here in the present energies? Page of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and Five of Pentacles. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. This is the person who is always slow. Might be dealing with a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo over here. Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles. Strong, slow energies. This person, and with the Five of Pentacles, this person left you out in the cold, but they have regrets now. Now they regret that whatever they did was wrong. Why the Sun energies are here? Two of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and the World card. I think that message which you are actually waiting for, the message is coming towards you. Yes, that apology, you are waiting for an apology. This apology is coming towards you, Aquarians, because it doesn't work like that. Okay, because that person is feeling very bad, and there are strong regrets in this person's mind towards you. Why the Three of Cups? Okay, so we have the Three of Cups, Eight of Cups, and the King of Cups. Strong Cups energy, strong emotions are coming up in the coming future. More about emotions now. Why the Three of Cups is here? Three of Cups with the Death card and the Queen of Cups. See, strong emotional energies. So I see that there will be a communication, but this communication might be the ending of the relationship, because with the Death and the Eight of Cups has also appeared in the future energies. This might be a time when you actually, you know that this might be not, this relationship might not work between both of us, and it's better to be distant, to be far away, rather than being together and having lots and lots of fights. You can also be friends after that, but in regards with the relationship, it's really hard to manage. Eight of Cups energy. Why Eight of Cups is here? Two of Wands, High Priestess, Five of Wands here. You know that it's better to just leave the situation rather than staying in the same situation and getting negative vibes towards each other, because you know that it becomes very negative when you both come together. It's always like, why is this happening? We are so happy together when we talk on phone, or it's like when we are apart or we talk less, but why it's happening like why is it that whenever we come so close to each other, it's like always sudden change, sudden breakdown? So I think the communication, you will get a lot of clarity after this communication. Why the King of Cups is here? Why the King of Cups is here in the future energies? Yeah, Eight of Wands, Knight of Swords. Yeah, strong communication coming your way, Aquarians. Strong communication. You wanted to have a chit chat, you wanted to communicate, you wanted to talk. Yes, your wishes are coming true, whatever you wanted to. What is the advice for my Aquarians, please? Any advice? Yeah, Two of Cups with the Eight of Pentacles. So over here the cards are telling you that, you know, you have to believe, you have to stay up, you have to believe whatever the situation is. If you are having strong thoughts about this person, you still want to work on this relationship because you feel that this person is your soulmate, you should go on. If you feel that, if you do not feel like that if you are feeling that no, I am the one who is that you are afraid, or you are getting some strong bad energies from this person, because I am not getting any in the reading, but if you feel that there is any negative energies, negative side of this person, and you do not want to explore it, then it's a cut and shut, you know, a relationship. But if you can make things work out, if you can mend the things, then you should go on if you can. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Aquarians. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.